Got an old t-shirt? Let's turn it into a trendy tote bag. Step 1, cut off the sleeves and neckline. Step 2, cut fringe at the bottom and tie them up. And just like that, you've got a no-sew tote. Perfect for shopping, books, or the beach. Upcycling can be fun and eco-friendly. Like and follow for more easy DIY hacks. Love fresh herbs? Make your own mini kitchen garden with mason jars. Step 1, add pebbles for drainage. Step 2, fill with potting soil and plant your favorite herbs, basil, mint, or rosemary. Step 3, place near a sunny window. Fresh herbs all year round, no backyard needed. Try it and tell me what you planted. Say goodbye to chapped lips with this DIY lip scrub. Step 1, mix 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon honey, and a drop of coconut oil. Step 2, gently scrub your lips for 1 minute. Step 3, wipe clean and feel the smoothness. Natural, cheap, and delicious. Want more DIY beauty hacks? Like and share. Refresh your couch vibes with a no-sew pillow cover. Step 1, use a large piece of fabric. Step 2, wrap the pillow like a gift and tie the ends in a knot. No needles, no glue, just instant cozy decor. Perfect for seasonal makeovers. Follow for more easy home DIY ideas. Add some sparkle to your space with a glitter vase. DIY. First, apply glue inside a clear glass vase. Next, pour in glitter, swirl it around and tap out the extra. Then, let it dry. Voila! You've got a glam vase ready for flowers or pens. Tag me when you make yours. Want your own personalized mug? Start by using oil-based Sharpie markers to draw your design. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Now your design is dishwasher safe and ready to sip in style. These make great gifts too. Like and save for more crafty ideas. Turn a plain phone case into a masterpiece with washi tape. Step 1, grab some colorful washi tapes. Step 2, stick, layer, and create funky patterns. Step 3, seal with clear nail polish for extra shine. Trendy, fun, and budget-friendly. Show off your creative phone makeover. Tidy up your desk with this zero-waste DIY. Step 1, cut cereal boxes at different heights and angles. Step 2, wrap in gift paper or fabric. Step 3, arrange and glue them together. Your new desk organizer is ready. Cute, colorful, and free. For more eco-friendly DIYs, follow me. Freshen up your room with a DIY natural spray. Step 1, mix water, a tablespoon of alcohol, and a few drops of essential oil in a spray bottle. Step 2, shake and spritz your room, pillows, or car. Chemical-free freshness in seconds. Try lavender, lemon, or peppermint. Follow for more green living tips. Jazz up your walls with this easy DIY art. Step 1, place painter's tape on a canvas in geometric patterns. Step 2, paint each section in different colors. Step 3, peel the tape to reveal your masterpiece. Art gallery vibes at home. Easy, bold, and budget-friendly. Tag me if you try this.